let's go over here, the fingerprint reader. Now I'm going to tell you this, and I tell everybody the same way in person or in these videos. Not everybody fingerprints well. That's not your fault, it's nobody else's fault, it's just how it is. So it's really important that you try to keep very consistent on how you put your finger on the reader when we're entering it in to program it. And it's just that important as well when we go to enter our fingerprint to open the box, okay? This one's a little bit different. We're using the administration button again, okay? I'm gonna press and release, and we'll get the one successful beep. The reader, there will be the blue light that begins to swirl around. So I'll get the blue light, I'm gonna print, print, print. At the last print, if everything went well, we'll see a green light, and here's some beeping, okay? If we did not, we'd get a red light at the end. Like I told you, this has a default now where any print will read as of right now. So hopefully we program my fingerprint in. We're gonna do an index finger here. We program that in and everything works fine. So let's press and release. And we're gonna look for the blue light. We're gonna read once. Got a yellow light, I guess you'd call it. And then let's go 3. I got a loud, longer beep and a green light. That means success. Now, 2 things we want to test. 1, did our finger read? Ooh, see that? Red. I don't think I held it on there well, to be honest with you. I know I didn't hold it exactly how I did reading it. It's okay to make a mistake in these videos because you're going to make a mistake possibly, and then you're going to have questions, right? So let me do a better job of placing my finger the way I had it. Okay? And so I got the green light. Now, again, this thing holds 30 prints. It comes default, anything will open it. We have now successfully programmed 1 fingerprint, which should mean, let's do the ring fingers. You know, there's no way they're the same, right? Does this open it? No, we got the red light. And so again, if I hold it the way I should, green light. So that's how that works every time. If you have questions, again, in the bottom, let me know or hit me up at any time you like.